Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Talk. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for joining us. We're looking at navigating, well, a pretty common social situation, right? How to politely say you're busy.
Yeah, it sounds simple, but getting it right without seeming rude or, making weird excuses, that can be surprisingly tricky.
Totally. You face it all the time.
Yeah.
A coworker stops by your desk, a friend calls when you're in the middle of something, or even just trying to schedule plans.
It's that little moment of friction, isn't it? You want to be helpful, you want to connect, but you also have your own stuff to deal with, your own time, your energy.
Exactly. How do you protect your boundaries, but still be, well, respectful to the other person?
That's the core question.
So our mission today is basically to pull out those key phrases they highlighted, but more than just listing them.
Yeah, we need to see them work.
Right. See them used in the real-life type scenarios they presented. Understand why a certain phrase works in that specific moment.
So you, listening, can actually grab these tools and feel confident using them.
Okay, let's get into it. We've all been there, right? Listening to someone, and boom, a word comes up. Total blank.
Happens all the time. First one is, I'm a bit tied up right now.
Tied up, okay.
Yeah, it's super common, really versatile. It basically just means you're occupied at this exact moment. You can't give your full attention immediately.
The a bit and right now feel important there makes it sound temporary.
Exactly. It softens it. It sounds like, you're busy now, but maybe not for long. It doesn't feel like putting up a huge wall.
Like if someone just pops their head around the corner while you're deep in thought.
Precisely. Perfect for those quick, temporary interruptions at work, that sort of thing.
Got it. Okay, what was phrase number 2?
Number 2, I've got a lot on my plate.
Ah, the idiom.
Yep, exactly. It's an idiom. Paints a picture, right? It means you have many things to do, lots of responsibilities or tasks demanding your attention, often over a longer period, not just, this very second.
A lot on my plate. Yeah, I can picture that. Like a big pile of different tasks or worries. Feels like it covers those bigger ongoing things, maybe schoolwork or a big project at work that's lasting a few days.
You nailed it. It's great when the busyness isn't just a quick 5-minute thing, but more like a general state of having a ton of commitments.
Makes sense. And the third one?
The third one is, I'm swamped.
Ooh, swamped. That sounds intense.
It is. It's definitely more informal than the others. And it really conveys that feeling of being extremely busy, maybe even like overwhelmed or totally buried in work.
Yeah, swamped. You feel like you're underwater with emails or tasks or something. Not just busy, but really properly inundated.
It communicates a much higher level of busyness. It often implies you're maybe even struggling to keep up. So it's a very clear signal that you need some space.
Okay, that's a strong one. 2 more left.
Right. Number 4 is a bit longer, but sounds very natural. Can we talk later? I'm in the middle of something.
Ah, yes. Classic. In the middle of something.
It's direct about your current state. You're actively doing something, but it frames it really politely by asking to reschedule the conversation.
I think I use this one quite a bit, actually. I'm in the middle of something.
Yeah.
It feels like everyone understands that. You don't really need to explain what that something is.
No, exactly. Just that you are doing something. And crucially, you're offering to connect later. That's the key polite part.
Okay, and the final phrase.
Things are a little hectic right now.
Hectic. Okay.
Yep.
How's it different?
This one's a bit softer, maybe more gentle. It suggests that the situation or the environment around you is busy or maybe a bit chaotic. The focus isn't purely on your personal workload.
Ah, I see. Things are hectic. Like you're describing the general vibe or pace. Sorry, it's just a bit hectic here today.
Yeah.
It sounds less like you are personally saying no and more like the circumstances are making it difficult.
Precisely. It's a gentle way to deflect, pointing to external factors rather than just your own full schedule.
Okay, interesting. So the 5 are tied up, a lot on my plate, swamped, in the middle of something, and hectic.
That's them.
Okay, so those are the 5 phrases. Really useful toolkit, but, just listing them isn't quite enough, is it?
No, not really. Seeing them used like in actual situations, that really helps cement them in your mind.
Definitely. It's one thing to know the phrase, another to actually feel confident using it. So let's try some little role plays.
Sounds good. Let's demonstrate these in action. Where should we start? Okay, you be person A, I'll be person B.
Got it. Ready? Hey, do you have a minute?
Oh, I'm a bit tied up right now. Can we maybe talk in an hour?
Sure. Yeah, no problem.
See? Perfect use of tied up. You say you're busy now, but you immediately suggest another time. Polite, clear.
Exactly. Manages the request, offers a solution. Okay, next, talking to a friend about plans.
Okay, I'll be person A this time.
Go for it.
Hey, want to hang out tonight?
I wish. I've got a lot on my plate with school right now. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, totally understand. Good luck with the school stuff.
So here, a lot on my plate works great. It gives a general reason, school commitments, without getting into specifics.
And suggesting maybe tomorrow keeps it friendly, shows you still want to hang out.
Right. It softens the no for tonight. Okay, how about swamped?
Okay, imagine we're texting. I'm A, you're B.
Okay.
Hey, sorry I didn't reply earlier. I'm totally swamped today.
No worries at all. Talk whenever you're free.
That's a really good example. It's quick, informal, perfect for a text to explain a delay. Maybe even to your boss if the culture allows.
Yeah, it just quickly conveys, I'm buried, which is often all that's needed in a text. Okay, back to phone calls. Being interrupted.
Like the in the middle of something one. Let's hear that. You call me.
Okay. Ring, ring. Hi. Got a sec to chat.
Hey, can I actually call you back in a bit? I'm right in the middle of something.
Oh, yeah, of course. Later's totally fine.
See? That just works so well for unexpected calls. You're direct, can't talk now, busy, but the phrasing is polite.
And the promise to call back seals the deal. It manages the interruption really smoothly. Okay, last one.
Things are a little hectic right now. Making plans.
Okay, you start.
Right. Hey, how's your day going?
Oh, man. Things are a little hectic right now, actually, but maybe we could grab coffee this weekend.
Yeah, sounds good. Let me know it works. So things are a little hectic right now when you're just generally discussing plans or availability. How does that work?
It feels like a gentler way to explain why you might be unavailable or slow to commit right now. Like we discussed, saying things are hectic kind of frames the busyness as the situation, the environment. It feels less like a personal rejection of the plan or the person.
Right. It attributes the difficulty to external factors, the general chaos, maybe.
Yeah. It's like describing the overall state of your life at the moment, not just saying, no, I won't make plans with you, and then pairing it with maybe this weekend. Immediately pivots to future possibility.
Keeps the connection alive, softens the current unavailability.
Exactly. It seems good when your schedule isn't just full of specific meetings, but maybe just feels generally chaotic or unpredictable, making it hard to pin down plans right now.
Nicely put. It covers that feeling well.
So these examples really drive home that picking the right phrase isn't just about knowing the words.
No, it's about the nuance.
Yeah, understanding how it fits the context, who you're talking to, are you texting or talking, what kind of busy are you? Is it temporary focus, ongoing stuff, or just feeling totally overwhelmed?
Absolutely. Getting these nuances right allows for, much more precise and socially graceful communication. You get your point across accurately, but you maintain politeness.
And seeing them in those little dialogues really showed why each one fits a slightly different situation.
Right. A quick interruption, ongoing projects, feeling buried, a phone call, or just general life chaos impacting plans.
So what does this all mean? What's a big takeaway for you listening?
Well, I think recognizing these phrases and maybe even practicing them a bit gives you a really powerful toolkit. It's truly about setting clear boundaries, but doing it gracefully.
Right.
It empowers you to manage your own time, your own energy, without all the guilt or awkwardness that can sometimes come with just saying no or I can't right now.
It really is. It gives you the actual words to prioritize effectively.
So now it's your turn to practice. We're going to say each phrase, and we want you to repeat it after us. Try to say it with feeling, like you really mean it. Ready? I'm a bit tied up right now. Got a lot on my plate. I'm swamped. I'm in the middle of something, and things are a little hectic right now.
Practicing these phrases out loud.
Which is such a good tip. Actually saying them makes them feel less awkward when you need them for real. It really reinforces that practical learn-by-doing approach.
Absolutely. That practice turns them from just vocabulary into actual usable social tools.
Definitely.
And maybe here's a final thought to mull over, something the source pointed out very simply. It's okay to be busy. Just say it nicely.
Such a key point.
So think about how mastering these phrases might impact you. Not just how you manage your day and set boundaries, but also how understanding them when other people use them might change things. Maybe you hear, I'm swamped, and instead of feeling brushed off, you just recognize their current capacity.
It fosters understanding both ways.
How does this seemingly small communication skill actually affect the whole dynamic of how we interact and set expectations day to day?
It's about empathy and clarity, really, a two-way street.
Well, thank you for joining us for this deep dive into the art of the polite refusal.
Yeah, we hope these insights help you navigate all those busy moments with a bit more confidence and ease.
And now you've got a few different ways to do it confidently, politely, in pretty much any English conversation.
Join us next time on Daily Easy English Talk.
And yeah, make sure you subscribe to Daily Easy English Talk so you don't miss that, or any of our future chats and tips. You get access to all our past stuff too.
And as always,
Thanks for listening.